How do you feel about singing a little bit? It goes like this. We're going to rehearse it a little bit. It's called Hvem uden dig. Sig mig, hvem uden dig. So it goes like this. Sig mig, hvem uden dig. Sig mig, hvem uden dig. Can you do that? Sig mig, hvem uden dig. Jeg kan sagtens klare mig selv, og jeg har næsten ingen gæld. Spille guitar dagen lang, livet er det hits, jeg skrev engang. Men hvem er jeg uden dig at lege med? Hvem er jeg, når du ikke giver besked? Hvem er jeg uden dig? Sig mig, hvem er jeg uden dig? Your turn. Sig mig, hvem er jeg uden dig? One more time. Hvem er jeg uden dig? Jeg kan sagtens gå en tur, stige på mit arbejdstur, gå og snakke med mig selv. Det gør jeg nok alligevel med. Hvem er jeg uden dig at lege med? Hvem er jeg, når du ikke giver besked? Hvem er jeg uden dig? Sig mig, hvem er jeg uden dig? Sig mig, hvem er jeg uden dig? Jeg kan sagtens være alene, gør hele huset rent, købe ind og lave mad, og gå helt alene i bad. Hvem er jeg uden dig at lege med? Hvem er jeg, når du ikke giver besked? Hvem er jeg uden dig? Sig mig, hvem er jeg uden dig? Sig mig, hvem er jeg uden dig? En gang til. Hvem er jeg uden dig at lege med? Hvem er jeg, når du ikke giver besked? Hvem er jeg uden dig? Sig mig, hvem er jeg uden dig? Ja, tak fordi I samtidig. Ja. Irriterende hånd. Nu skal vi til noget mere alvorligt. Det kan jo ikke være fællessang det hele. Så her er en sang, der handler lidt om den tid, vi lever i. Hvor vi lever i krig og doom and gloom. Det hører også med. Den her, den hedder Soldiers. Og den går like this. Contagious laughter bleeds into the silver moon of dawn. Like children, those in government who can't tell right from wrong. Spineless, mindless gobbles swept upon the shore. Paralyzed by poison from corporations they adore. Soldiers were all they were. Husbands, sons and daughters. And they sent them home in caskets for no reason at all. And their children went to funerals at the Royal Air Force Home. Born into eternal slavery like now and those before, who would dare to scream for freedom in a world of constant war. Brainwashed by the media to believe important lies, spend their lives creating fortunes for the devils they despise. Soldiers were not all they were. Husbands, sons and daughters, and they sent them home in caskets for no reason at all. And their children went to funerals at the Royal Air Force Home. The ugly truth that none of them are really brave or free. They live their lives of happiness and fight for their country. What good are all their medals, purple hearts displayed, just as cheap as plastic and scattered on their graves. Soldiers were not all they were. Husbands, sons and daughters, and they sent them home in caskets for no reason at all. And their children came to funerals at the Royal Air Force Home. Soldiers were not all they were. Husbands, sons and daughters, and they sent them home in caskets for no reason at all. And the children cried at funerals at the Royal Air Force Home. Thanks so much. Thank you.